To add a couple of tablespoons of flour to get it to look like this, but this is what it should look like before you put it out to rise. Today we're making homemade pizza, and we already have the dough already risen in the bowl, ready to roll out. And when you pull the dough out of the bowl, you spray your hands with some Pam. My hands are clean, I've already washed them. And you pull the dough out of the bowl, just like this, and you put it into the pan. And I don't even use a rolling pin. If you guys want to, your pan probably looks different than this. Mine, I know it's broken and chipped on the side, but it's one of my favorite. So I just press it into the stoneware pan like this. You guys can use a rolling pin if you want to. If you're using a different kind of pan, you can use a rolling pin if you want to, but I just press it out. And you make a little lip around the edge. And then you let it rest for about 20 minutes. Or maybe not even 20 minutes, 10 minutes. And you make the sauce. And you can buy pizza sauce if you want to. But it's super easy to make with tomato sauce. And I'm going to send you guys this recipe too. And I'm going to barely have enough onion powder, so I'm just going to dump that in.
Basil.
I also add that's my oven preheating to 400 for the pizza. I also add a little bit of sugar
to give us all the diabetes. There's a lot of sugar.
It's just a tablespoon, Kevin. Before you put this in the oven, you bake this twice, 2 different times. You're going to bake it with just butter. You're going to brush it with butter. And I like to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese, especially around the edge, either this time or before you put it in the second time. You bake it with just the butter the first time for about 8 minutes. This is what it looks like after you first pull it out of the oven after the 8 minutes. And you can see I sprinkled some garlic salt and some Parmesan cheese around the edge before I baked it the first time.
Look at how voluptuous it is.
You see how much it rose and baked in the oven? Oh, it smells so good. Now we're going to pour pizza sauce, the homemade pizza sauce that we made, and spread it out. My family doesn't like a whole lot of pizza sauce, so you'll notice that this is not really thick. If you like more pizza sauce, you can put more on it, so that's just up to you and your liking. Now the great thing about making homemade pizza is you can make it to your liking. So if you like all cheese, or if you have a family that's split like ours is, Kevin only likes cheese, so we do half cheese, half pepperoni, or you could do a third of it cheese, a third of it pepperoni, and then do a third of it meat lovers. That's the great thing about making it homemade.
Put oregano cheese on it.
Oregano cheese.
Is that not a cheese?
No.
Oh. Stop laughing at me. I'll die.
You put Gouda on it, Kevin. Is that what the cheese you like to bring up?
That's some Gouda cheese. Ha! I'm gonna regret doing that later.
You are. We like a lot of cheese, so you really can't tell the difference between the cheese and the pepperoni.
You say this in every video that has even a little bit of cheese. You're like, oh, it calls for 1 tablespoon of cheese. I'm gonna put 10 tons on it.
I really like sausage, but we really don't ever put sausage on. Put the pepperonis real close together because they tend to shrink.